Hello there, how you doing? My name is Mukhtar. Have you ever struggled with making a habit stick? Maybe you've tried different things at different times and you were not quite successful in building that habit. Well, I'm going to share with you a simple tip that should help make that habit stick. So stick around. Did you get that? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos like this. And feel free to share this video so that other people can benefit. So the tip is to use this technique called habit stacking. James Clear mentions this technique in his book called Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits, by the way, is one of the best books I've read in the past 2 years, and I'm not being paid to say this. So here is how to stack that habit that you want to form. So this is Abe. Let's say Abe wants to form a new habit in the morning. So what we do is that we take an inventory of the habits that Abe already has in the morning. We all have habits. A lot of what we do out of habit. So let's look at Abe's morning routine. He wakes up, he brushes his teeth, he takes a shower, he has his coffee, and then he goes to work. So now we have an inventory of his morning habits. Let's take the new habit that Abe wants to form. Let's say he wants to do some exercises on his vocal cords. He wants to sound very powerful. So he decides he wants to roar like a lion for 10 minutes every morning. No, we're not judging you, Abe. What you do in your personal life is your own business. So we take this new habit and then we slot it or we stack it either before or after an established habit. So let's pick brushing as his established habit. So before Abe brushes, he will roar like a lion for 10 minutes. You know what? I think it's better if we do that after. So after Abe brushes, he will roar like a lion for 10 minutes. Yeah, that's better. Whew. Now at the beginning, Abe might need to get some external help to remind him of this habit that he wants to form. So for example, he could set an alarm on his phone to remind him to roar like a lion for 10 minutes. And after he does this a few times, he shouldn't need to use an alarm. So after a few weeks, Abe has now formed this new habit. So how is your voice, Abe? Is it powerful? You lost your voice? I wonder why. Well, you don't have the vocal cords of a jungle king. So remember, if you want to make a habit stick, consider stacking that habit with an already established habit, and that should help you keep that habit for a long time. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos like this, and hit the notification sign so that you can know when videos come out. Until next time, see you. What? The cat got your tongue? I'm sorry, I couldn't resist.